Unlocking YouTube success, profitable. Hello, YouTube creators and aspiring content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of YouTube and exploring some exciting and profitable channel ideas that you can start right now. Whether you're new to YouTube or looking to pivot your existing channel, these ideas can help you unlock your full potential. Idea 1. Educational tutorials. Our first profitable idea is educational tutorials. Have a passion or expertise in a particular field? Share it with the world. Whether it's teaching people how to use software, crafting DIY projects, or explaining complex concepts, educational content is always in demand. You can monetize through ads and affiliate marketing. Plus, you'll be making a real impact by helping others learn. Idea 2. Fitness and wellness. Next up, we have fitness and wellness. Health is wealth, right? Sharing workout routines, healthy recipes, and wellness tips can attract a dedicated following. These topics are evergreen, and you can explore partnerships with fitness brands and supplement companies to boost your income. Idea 3. Gaming and streaming. Game on! Gaming and streaming is our third idea. With the gaming community growing rapidly, there's room for everyone. Stream your gaming sessions, provide game reviews, and offer tips and tricks. You can monetize through sponsorships, merchandise, and ad revenue. The possibilities are endless in this space. Idea 4. Travel vlogging. If wanderlust is your thing, consider travel vlogging ***. Document your adventures, share travel tips, and introduce viewers to fascinating destinations. Collaborations with travel companies and hotel chains can make this a profitable venture. Idea 5. Personal finance and investing. Time to talk about money. Personal finance and investing content is on the rise. Offer budgeting advice, share investing insights, and promote financial literacy. You can partner with financial platforms and even launch your own courses. Idea 6. Beauty and makeup. Ladies and gentlemen, beauty and makeup never go out of style. Create makeup tutorials, skincare routines, and honest product reviews. Collaborations with beauty brands and makeup companies can be highly lucrative. Idea 7. Tech and gadgets. Finally, for the tech enthusiasts, explore tech and gadgets content. Review the latest gadgets, cover tech news, and provide helpful how-to guides. Revenue can come from ads and partnerships with tech companies. So, there you have it, our top 7 profitable YouTube channel ideas for 2023. Remember, success on YouTube takes dedication, consistency, and a genuine passion for what you do. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests, and you'll be well on your way to creating both profitable and fulfilling content. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and inspiration. Thanks for joining us today, and happy YouTubing! Before we go, feel free to share your thoughts and any other channel ideas you have in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. See you next time.